I'm setting up this Epson ET2988. This is a special edition of printer from Costco. We were thinking, do we need a printer? And we do. We have some documents we need to print. Although nowadays, don't really need it. Everything is digital. But our printer has special cartridges that we need to buy that you can't find anymore. So this one is cartridge free. No need for cartridges. You just have this. Well, maybe there's a catch on this one. We don't know. It's like $26 per pack. Okay, so we have this. Nothing here. And oh man. Okay. We got this supply. 2 black and the cyan, magenta, yellow. The cord. That's it. Let's take a quick look of the manual. Unpack, remove all protective materials, close the scanner, connect the power cord, and then later on we fill in tanks. So let's do all this. The tape is all the way here. So it has this, open, close. This is for the ink. Just don't know. How is this open? I really am trying to find. Oh, maybe this one. Okay. Nothing in here. So you press this. Okay. Now this one, I don't know. Oh, okay. Oh, there you go. Oh, look. Now, we're done with that. Now we connect our cord. It's on this side. And here's the black. I'm gonna put something below the, yeah, here. Just so in case the ink spills, it's not gonna ruin my table. There. Now let's bring this close. I forgot to turn on the video. You can see here, oops, it's closer to 90. That's it. I forgot to turn on the video. Taking this. So as you can see, there's a slot here. Here. This goes straight there. Exactly. So now this, we can close this. It says fill in the tank just 90%. See this? Up to this line. Now we cover this. There's still more. Let's do the magenta. Oh, this one is not correct. the inside is, we do the cyan first. Cyan followed by magenta, followed by yellow. Let's do this. Pull this up, this one, and there. You see cyan. We will do it only up to 90. Oh, it stops. Okay. Yeah, it automatically stops according to the manual. Magenta, cyan is done. Magenta next. So I wonder if we can reuse the bottle and put colors in there. Yes, you don't need cartridge, but if this run out, we will buy the same thing. So what's the difference? Except that the cartridge has some contact point. This one doesn't. It's just ink, and it has a special keyhole here. Okay, it stops. We're done. I'm gonna go back to the black one because now let's do the yellow. Done. Oh, it's actually easy to fill it up because it stops automatically. So the first one that I did, the black, I remove it before it stops. So maybe I should do it again. Oh, now it stops. Good. Okay, ink is filled up. I prepared some bond paper. So let's turn this on. Let's show you the video. Oh, it says English. I forgot to turn on the video again. Now I'm preparing it. Anyway, it just shows you the different button, and I skip the mobile setup because I'm using the phone here. See the start here sheet to complete initialization. Yes, it is. So what do we do? Oh, here. So it's gonna take 11 minutes, but just notice this ink. It's charging the ink, so it's using a little bit. It used to be on the 90%. So once the on-off button stops blinking, we're gonna top it off with the remaining ink. Now it's almost done. Okay, initialization complete, done. Okay, adjust to the optimum print quality for the paper used. Okay, let's see what it does. Load letter A4 size plain paper. Showing you, gonna load on this size. Okay, and then let's see. Start. Oh, it's gonna come up here. Here. There. It opens. Alignment is good, but the color is lighter, it's like gray, it's not black. Oh, this is black. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna do the scanning. Start scanning. Wow, this is too slow. Slower than my previous printer. But my previous printer, which is HP, is using a cartridge, and the cartridge is no longer available in store. Okay, scanning works. Let's find out. So we should get similar thing. This one was not accepted because it's different size a little bit. Okay, I thought it will scan. Copy. Okay, that's the result of the scan. Oh man, look at that. Now we can set up the mobile, but let's top off the ink. Let's turn it off. So it's asking if I need to store this automatically. Yes. Turning off. There you go. Oh man. Okay, it's turned off. Now let's top off the ink. You should not shake it. So, wow, that's it. It's all gone. It's not even quality printing. Doesn't work. Let's try the magenta. Okay, the magenta. It's all gone. Let's try the cyan. Okay, it worked. Oh wow, what's going on? Trial and error. Is it? No more? No more? So it says no need for cartridge, but you will have to buy this. Smart, huh? Okay, now I'm gonna set this up using my mobile phone.